this is Linda Amon, and I'm going to be teaching a class at the College of Eastern Idaho on pen with watercolor with roosters. So we are going to be teaching all the different pen marks and watercolor. You'll be working on a piece of paper, and then it'll be done in a couple different sessions so that you're able to do the pen work, and then the next session would be the watercolor. So this is one of the examples. And then you would be receiving a download to do the real rooster photo, and then you'll have a pattern if you want to freehand draw it, or you could trace it down so you have a pattern. This is a class for beginners or people who are more advanced, because I will do different kinds of things. I will do things that will work for you as you're just beginning, and also show more advanced ideas. So this one has been put on a block, but it's basically the same things that you'll be doing on a piece of paper. And then I'll show you one that's finished. Here's what they look like when they can be finished. There'll be all different ways that you will learn the blending of colors, the different pen techniques, and the way to do each step by step. So come join us, and I think you'll enjoy it.